All right, Howard. I just want to take a feedback about our services for your air duct and drywall and cleaning company. That how is your journey and experience with F16 Media so far? Please tell people about your thoughts.
Well, my journey with F60 Media has just started, but I'll tell you, this is my second month and it has exceeded expectation. He guaranteed me a certain amount of leads, and it's just been piling in. At first, I was, because I've tried other marketing companies before, so I was a bit reluctant. However, he gave me the confidence to keep going, and he told me, Howard, just let me do my work and listen. It has never been better. My company, my revenue has gone through the roof, and I just, hope to keep going and working with them. So now we're moving on to my third month. I'm able to manage everything, the business taking care of itself, and just steady growth. And I just want to thank him and wish him continued success. And for me, it's great. The communication is great. He's always there. That's one good thing I could say. He's always there whenever I text, whenever I call. He's always there with the answer, the troubleshooting, and it's a great company. 100% recommended, and the rest will be history.
Yes. So, what do you think? What would you like to say about people who think that we're gonna run away with their money and stuff like that?
Well, I would say, it's natural for people to have that because I had that in mind, especially the fact that he's out of the country and I'm here in the States and he's over there. And, I was a bit nervous, but he has proven that he's a trustworthy guy, and, I shouldn't worry about it. I don't worry anymore. You know, he deserved every single penny, because he's put money in my pocket, and he's the first marketing company I work with such ease and such transparency, and I highly recommend it. F16 Media, you know what I mean? So nothing to worry about, man. Just invest that money and keep it going. I could tell you, I'm a happy man because of this company right here.
So, would you recommend to other people who are starting out and who are looking for more leads for their air duct and drywall and cleaning business?
100%. And you made a point. You said starting out. When I started with F16 Media with you, I was just starting out. So my finances was tight, and he worked with me. He worked with me, and here we are. He was very patient because I didn't always have the money, and now it's getting better. We're growing. So yes, I would definitely recommend F16 Media to any startup company. You know, trying to get out there.
All right, just last question. As
Mhm.
we specialize in home improvement marketing, air duct, dryer, chimneys, a carpet, solar roofing. So, what would you rate us for home improvement marketing company out of
I
10?
have a I have a full schedule the next 2 weeks, so I have a full schedule ahead of me. So I would rate F60 Media. If there's a rating over 100%, I would rate them over 100% because now I could see my schedule. You know what I mean? I'm not scraping to get two customers every day. So it's a good experience for me, and it's a whole different ballgame over here, over on this side.
All right. All right, man. Thank you so much for your feedback.
Anytime, my brother. I appreciate you, and stay in touch.